Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some date wheels. Date wheels is a cookie with a cooked date filling. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a pot over medium heat, add in 250 grams of chopped dates, 80 ml of water, 60 ml of sugar, and 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Give this mixture a mix and cook for about 10 minutes or until the mixture is soft. Allow this mixture to cool completely. In a bowl with 110 grams of butter, add in 100 grams of white sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg and mix until well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add in 500 ml of flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Turn your mixture out onto a flat surface and press the dough together until a smooth dough forms. Roll the dough out into a rectangle. And spread on the cooled date filling. And spread out. Cut off some excess dough. Roll the dough up. Cut into slices and place onto a baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoy some date wheels!